6-6 mark at a 3.90 ERA. And Sierra goes down swinging. 0-2. Swing and a miss. Down he goes. Davis skies one out to shallow right center. Cowgill moving over. The inning comes to an end, but Toronto retakes the lead. Slow roller to the left side. Romine cuts in front of Ibar. 2-2 pitch to Laurie. Swing and a miss. Down he goes. 2 down. Swing and a miss on the off speed pitch. Down goes Lynn. So leadoff walk stranded at first. Nice job by Garrett. Sharply hit to short. Ibar has it. Gets rid of it quickly, and just like that, we are through 6 here at the Rogers Center with the Angels still leading at 4-3.